Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2020 Volvo VNL64T860s. This truck is equipped with the D13 set at 455 horsepower and the Volvo I-Shift. This truck just came in, has been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full listing of our inventory. If there's anything you're interested in, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.